Okay, so this is a guided walkthrough for the first thing we need to do is we need to read the mission.txt file. So we're just going to do cat mission.txt, and this is mission number 13. So it says here that the user Alice has left her password in an environment variable. So environment variables are basically a bunch of different variables inside of your terminal. So your shell has a bunch of different variables that it can access. And the easiest way to get all of your different environment variables inside of a Linux terminal is to just use this command over here. So it's print env. So if you give this command, you're going to see all of your environment variables at once. So you see here that we've got what shell we're using in this terminal. So it's bin bash. So our present working directory is this right here. So our login name is this. Our home directory is this. It's just a bunch of different stuff. But at the very bottom over here, we're going to see that there's a password that is specified here as well. So this is the password we're looking for. So you just need to copy this. And this is going to be the password for the next level. And we were told that the password, the username that for the next level is this Alice user over here. Okay, so that was that level. Great. All right, so we're just going to exit. And we're going to do our little after action report over here. So this is going to be for the Elena level. Okay, so Elena level. So the target user for this level is the Alice user. And the method of solve for this level is to output the environment variables for the terminal. And the key command in this case is going to be print-env, just like this. Okay. Everybody, please, sorry. This was a guided walkthrough for the Elena level from the Venus CTF labs from the HackMyVM.eu website. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment down below. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.